Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bank of Colorado mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bank of Colorado is a mobile banking app designed to help customers manage their finances efficiently. The app offers features such as account management, fund transfers, bill payments, mobile check deposits, and branch/ATM locators. It also includes real-time transaction alerts, biometric login, and two-factor authentication for added security and convenience. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app for its intuitive interface, smooth navigation, and ability to manage accounts on the go. The mobile deposit feature and real-time alerts help customers stay on top of their finances, while branch and ATM locators make finding services easier. Many also find the biometric login and security features reassuring for safe banking. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional connectivity issues or delays in transaction updates. Certain features may feel limited compared to full desktop banking, and troubleshooting issues might require contacting customer support. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Bank of Colorado app may be worth using if you're a customer looking for a secure, convenient, and mobile-friendly way to manage your finances. It excels in accessibility, security, and ease of use. However, if you need advanced banking tools or rely heavily on desktop services, it might not fully replace traditional online banking. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.